Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be making my favorite breakfast smoothie. This is something you can do in 5 minutes or less. So let's just jump into it. I'll list everything in the description for you. I hope you enjoy. This is by far my favorite breakfast smoothie. So I will list all the ingredients in the description, don't you worry. The fruits and veggies, I'm actually going to be using a frozen version, which I get from Costco. It's the Fresh Start smoothie blend. But again, if you already have these ingredients in your fridge, don't go out and buy the frozen ones. It'll work out just the same. The items that I'm going to be using is my almond cashew milk by Silk. That's going to be 4 ounces, coconut water, my frozen fruit blend, banana, flaxseed, chia seed, and I think that's it. Oh, and some protein, of course, but we'll get to that later. But let's get 4 ounces of the almond cashew milk in the blender first. And then we are going to go through with coconut water, and we're going to add 8 ounces of coconut water. I add 1 tablespoon of both chia seed and flax seed. Now these are already pre-ground. I grind them up in my spice grinder and then refrigerate them. So just make sure they're ground, and you can do that with a coffee grinder, spice grinder. I'll have the one that I use in the description. Go ahead and add your banana to the mix. Yes, the whole banana. Grab your frozen fruits and veggies, and I usually put about 1.5 cups in my smoothies, so that's about half the bag. This is my ACTIVATEDYOU Morning Complete Powder. This is just kind of like something that helps with your energy, digestive system, kind of a superfoods powder, if you will. This is completely optional. It's very expensive. I want to say it's like 60 bucks. But if you go on their website and put in your email, they send you a coupon, I think. And I also do a scoop of my MITO Vitality. Again, it's just to help with energy, kind of a superfoods powder, if you will. But these things are very expensive. So again, try to grab that coupon if you wanted to try it. Also, if you're somebody who drinks protein and you have protein powder, add your protein powder to the smoothie. You won't regret it. So delicious. I top it off with a little bit of ice, and then with my blender, I put it on chop first, so that way it kind of chops up everything, and then I go ahead and hit my liquefy button for about 30 seconds. Your smoothie is done. Go ahead and pour it in your cup. I use a 24-ounce reusable cup that has a lid with a straw in case I'm on my way to work or I want to take it with me around the house as I'm getting ready. But you are all set to go. This is a very quick, simple smoothie you can do in the morning. All you need is 5 minutes and breakfast is done. Hey guys, if you liked that video, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And one last thing, if you have your own smoothie recipe that you would like to share with me, leave it in the comments for me. I'm up to trying new smoothie recipes any day. So again, thank you so much, and I will catch you in the next video.